For the last century, the entire beauty industry has relied on a single business model: guesswork. You stand in an aisle, staring at hundreds of bottles, guessing what your skin type is. You guess which expensive serum might fix it. And when you break out 2 weeks later, you guess why. But we are standing on the edge of a revolution. What if the guessing game was over? What if your bathroom mirror knew your cortisol levels? What if your phone could see beneath the surface of your skin to predict a breakout before it happens, and then 3D print the exact serum you need right on your countertop? This isn't science fiction. We are witnessing the death of one-size-fits-all marketing and the birth of the era of personalized diagnostics. Welcome back. Today we are exploring the most significant shift in the $600 billion beauty market. For decades, skincare has been corrective. You see a wrinkle, you buy a cream. You see a dry patch, you buy a moisturizer. It is reactive, but new technology is moving us toward preventative beauty. This is about catching inflammation before it turns into redness. It's about seeing pigmentation before it rises to the surface. Today, I am going to walk you through the devices that will turn your bathroom vanity into a science lab, and why this matters for your wallet and your health. To understand where we are going, we have to look at the technology you probably already have. You've likely used a skin scanner app on your phone. You take a selfie, and an AI counts your pores and gives you a score. These are fun, but they are fundamentally limited. They rely on standard smartphone cameras that use red, green, and blue light. They can only see what the human eye sees. They just quantify it faster. This is surface-level data, relying on a standard photo to diagnose. Your skin health is like a doctor trying to diagnose a fever just by looking at you from across the room. The future requires us to see the invisible. The first major leap is in hyper-spectral imaging. This is technology used by NASA and agriculture drones, and it is finally shrinking down to consumer size. While a normal camera sees 3 bands of light, hyper-spectral sensors see hundreds. They can see infrared and ultraviolet patterns that penetrate deep into the dermis. These sensors can visualize blood flow, collagen density, and water content layers beneath the skin. Imagine a specialized lens attachment for your phone. You scan your face, and instead of a photo, you see a heat map of inflammation that hasn't reached the surface yet. It tells you exactly where your barrier is broken, days before you feel the sting. This is medical-grade imaging, democratized, but it isn't just about better cameras. It is about biological data. We are seeing the rise of the lab on a chip. These aren't cameras. They are physical diagnostic tools. Picture a device where you use a specialized tape strip to collect cells from your cheek, feed it into a small machine, and in 5 minutes, it analyzes your biological age using proteomics, the study of proteins. Currently, you buy anti-aging cream because you feel old. With this tech, you are measuring specific protein markers. You aren't guessing if the product is working. The data tells you exactly if your protein levels are changing. If spectral imaging is the hardware, the microbiome is the software. We now know that your skin is an ecosystem of billions of bacteria. When that ecosystem is balanced, you have glowing skin. When it's off, you get eczema, rosacea, and acne. We are moving toward pocket-sized microbiome sensors. Think of a device the size of a USB stick. You touch it to your cheek, and it instantly reads the pH balance and the ratio of good to bad bacteria. This completely changes how we treat acne. Instead of nooking your face with harsh acids that kill everything, the device tells you your bacteria count is high, but your hydration is low. Use a prebiotic mist, not a peel. So, you have the data. You know your spectral analysis and your microbiome count. What do you do with it? Enter hyper-personalized dispensing. We are moving toward the Keurig for skincare. You scan your face in the morning. The app processes the data and sends a signal to a device on your bathroom counter. That device has cartridges of raw ingredients, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, peptides. Based on today's scan, it mixes a single-dose serum perfectly tailored for you right now. Maybe you didn't sleep well, so it adds more caffeine. Maybe the UV index is high, so it boosts the antioxidants. It is fresh, active, and chemically perfect for your skin's immediate needs. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive and, frankly, a little creepy. And you're right to be skeptical. The biggest hurdle here is privacy. We are talking about biometric data. your genetic markers, and bacterial profiles. If you upload your skin scan to the cloud, who owns that? The beauty industry is becoming a health industry, and it needs to be regulated like one. And regarding cost, yes, the first wave of these devices will be luxury items. But remember, the first DNA test costs millions. Now 23andMe is $99. As these sensors become standard in smartphones, this diagnostic power will become accessible to everyone. The future of beauty isn't about adhering to an impossible standard set by a filter. It's about empowerment through data. It's about stopping the waste. Wasted money on products that don't work, and wasted plastic in landfills. It is the shift from hoping for a miracle to measuring the result. I want to know your take. Would you trust an AI to prescribe your skincare, or do you prefer the human touch of a dermatologist? Let's argue about it in the comments. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. It helps the channel immensely, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. I'll see you in the next one.